Hey, Mommy, at Ryan saying it's your turn.
No, I don't want to get on it no more. Go ahead.
Wait, David, I gotta fix my pants.
Your what?
My pants.
Your pants?
Alright. Oh, I'm not ready for this. Oh, God! Oh. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna start. Can I stop now? Oh, I'm gonna be sick.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
David, that's not fair! David, quit. I'm gonna fall. Quit. David! Are you... Oh, David, seriously, please quit. David! Alright, David, seriously. Oh, David, please quit. David, quit. Hold on. David! This isn't fair, David. Alright, just quit. Oh, God. Wait.
Okay, alright.
Okay, you spun the chair and not me. Okay, alright, I'm okay now. Wait, I gotta fix my hair to my mouth. Ready? Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm sure it's a lot slower than ever you were looking at. Can I? Alright. David, I'm gonna stop now. Can I stop? Oh, thanks for helping me.
Hey! Knock it off. Hey, you spit on my foot and I'm going to get you.